Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive step-by-step approach to troubleshoot and resolve the problem of WhatsApp notifications not displaying on your home screen. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone device, we've got you covered. By the end of this guide, you'll be back in the loop, never missing an important message again. Let's jump in and get those notifications back on track. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. The first step is to open WhatsApp on your device. Step 2. Go to Setting. Now, go to WhatsApp Setting on the top right corner, tap on 3 dots. Select Setting from the drop-down menu. Tap on it. Step 3. Find Notification Setting. In Setting, you see the list of options. Select Notification from the list. Tap on it. Step 4. Enable Notification. In Notification Setting, you see the list of option Enable All Notification. Step 5. Device Setting. Go to Device Setting. Scroll down and find App Management. Tap on it. And open App Setting and search WhatsApp. Tap on it. Step 6. Notification. When you open WhatsApp App Setting, you see the list of option. Select Notification from the list and enable all notification. Conclusion. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken the initiative to address the issue of WhatsApp notifications not appearing on your home screen. Remember, technology hiccups are common, but with a little know-how, they can be easily resolved. Now, you can enjoy a seamless and uninterrupted communication experience on WhatsApp. Stay connected. If you found this tip helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or other WhatsApp tricks you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.